So you can see that I got a pimple and I have an event to attend. So generally you don't pop a pimple, but I have to because it would look really ugly if I do makeup on this. So if you have similar situation, please put a toner on that affected area and don't pop the pimple with your nails, but use a cotton ball which is dipped in lukewarm water. Check the temperature in your palm and just press it against your face where the pimple is, and if it is having a whitehead then only do this step, otherwise please wait for the pimple to be having the whitehead part. Now just move the cotton ball. If it goes off then okay, but for me it didn't go off, so I would try to put some pressure near the pimple and so that it pops out automatically. I'll press it again. So now it has come off, you can see that, and I would gently try to clean that off. So as you can see now the area is becoming red and a blood might the blood might come out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna medicate that so that you don't get any scar. For that I would be using medicated powder, Neosporin. I think everybody is familiar with this powder. So if you just apply the Neosporin powder on that affected area, you won't get the scar. The pimple mucus would be accumulated at that point itself, and as the wound will get healed with this antibacterial power of this powder, it will go off automatically rather than coming back. So this is a hack that I use for pimple popping if I need, because generally I don't touch my pimples, but for such occasions where you have to get ready, you would need this hack. So hopefully this was helpful, so please share if it is helpful.